In this video we are going to show you ripple self-defense you should know. We do not want anyone to get into trouble, but if you are in such a situation then try this. Let's go. Remember, if you have been pointed by any sort of weapon, you do not need to do stupid things that can be dangerous. Do not look here and there. You should be fast doing this technique. If they want money or something else, then you need to give them. That will be better, but if they want to kill you, then you have to do something. Always look down so they do not shoot you before you do something to save your life. Your life is more important than everything. Let us learn this technique. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. I have two choices, but I am going to shoot.